hunker it down. This is what happened last time. Put the wrong way. It's much more difficult this time.
Can't steady yourself to begin with.
Well, you hurt your hand when you slip.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Here we go again.
Want to get your tissue there, Shannon?
Nah. With camera in hand.
What?
If possible, avoid stepping on that first log on the bridge.
How am I going to get it back?
I'll throw it to you.
Reach back.
It's a lot more wobbly on the way back.
It is. That one felt like it was going to spin around.
Careful with that one. Yay!
Try it.
Oh!
Yay!
Nice.
Nick, you want it?
Look at the whips using the stick.
You want the stick?
No, I'm alright.
No problem with that.
You ever seen those parodies of the G.I. Joe PSAs?
Yes.
Give him the stick! Don't give him the stick! You know, the fun thing is we have to come back this way again.
Yep.
Are you kidding?
Well, whichever...
Oh!
Good job.
However
Did you get that on camera?
Yes, I did.
Have the